हाँ, तो students, from this chapter first we'll discuss what is skeleton and okay. So acha, we have studied the structure of bones. Okay, so the human skeleton is formed out of 26 bones. They are total 206 bones. And what is the function of skeleton? The skeletal system क्या करता है? It provides support, okay, and provide proper shape, मतलब protection, and they provide protection to different system and organs present in the body. So skeleton, so I have total 200. So how 80 plus 126, how this I will tell how it is divided. So it is divided into axial skeleton and appendicular. So axial, it means top to bottom. Look, top to bottom, center से top to, this is human skeleton, how it actual look. Okay, so top to bottom axial ये हुआ, ठीक है. Center one, just like skull, vertebral column, sternum and ribs. Okay, so they come under axial. And appendicular, lateral, जो साइड में है. ओके, girdles, limbs, girdles, they are appendicular. Okay, so we'll discuss each and every one. This is cranium, this is mandible, this is sternum, ribs. Here it is pectoral girdle. This is pectoral girdle. This is humerus, ये जो hand का रहता है. It is radius, ulna. Then come to carpals, metacarpals, phalanges. Leg में femur, patella, tibia, fibula. और जैसे यहाँ पे कार्पल्स, मेटाकार्पल्स, फैलेंजेस से यहाँ पे टार्सल्स, मेटाटार्सल्स एंड फैलेंजेस. ओके, and here it is ilium, sacrum and pubis. We'll discuss. Okay, so axial is this, center from top to bottom. So there are 80 bones. सेंटर में टॉप टू बॉटम. सो इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ स्कल, so skull, there are around 29. There are around 29 bones. How it is divided? Look very careful. Skull में total 29 bones होते हैं. And how they are divided? Cranium, auditory bone, auditory related to ears, face, hyoid. What is hyoid bone? It is tongue bone. So cranium is 8. और skull कैसे डिवाइड है? Auditory bones 6, face में 14 bones and hyoid में 1. It is tongue bone. Appendicular, total 126. So 80 plus 126, 200. अब appendicular में क्या क्या आते हैं? girdles, मैंने बोला ना lateral साइड में. तो फर्स्ट इज girdles. First let me finish this one. Skull. Second is vertebral column. They are around 33, but they are fused. That's why they are 26. So they are total 33 and 26, that is fused, जो अभी बता रहे डिटेल में. तो फर्स्ट इज सर्वाइकल, thoracic. It is important. Cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and caudal. So cervical, there are 7, thoracic 12, lumbar 5, sacral they are also 5, but it is fused. 5 होते हैं, but it is मैंने ब्रैकेट में लिखा because caudal it is also 1, but it is fused. Okay, so total 33. Third is sternum 1. Fourth, ribs 24. Okay, now come to girdles. It is divided into 2, pectoral and pelvic. Pectoral, that is shoulder, upper limbs, 4, and it is 2. Second is limbs, divided into 2, 4 limbs, hind limbs, 4 limbs, hand जो ऊपर है, ठीक है, 4 limbs and hind limbs. So 4 limbs, how many? 30 plus 30 is equal to 60. 4 limbs consist of humerus, radius, ulna, metacarpals and phalanges. Hind limbs again 2 होते हैं. 30 plus 30 is equal to 60. It consists of 4 limbs में humerus, radius, ulna, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. Same here. Tarsus, metatarsal, phalanges. Okay, so do this by yourself. So it is a human skeleton system, how they are divided. Okay, next we will study skull, axial bone. The heading is axial bone. So one thing more I would like to students tell. So in formation of bones, bones are formed through the ossification of cartilage. Okay, what happened? All bones initiate as cartilage. Okay, usually in womb. ठीक है, बट कुछ टाइम बाद क्या होता है, वो कन्वर्ट हो जाता है हार्ट बोन में, दैट इज ओसिफिकेशन, और इसके लिए कैल्शियम इज रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, सो इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल स्टडी axial bones.